Hello guys, what's going on? This is Roberto 619 and today it's my very first time to change my motorcycle oil. So from July 2019 to May 2020, I never had any change oil. So as you can see, yung odometer miles niya is 1,805. So it's supposedly 800 miles, then you can go ahead and do your change oil. Alright, but now I just don't want to boring you. Let's get down to business, guys. Hello guys, so this is the oil that I'm gonna be using. It's mobile one. It's 1040 ang kanyang grade, and also it's full synthetic. So ibig sabihin ng full synthetic is mas maganda siyang yung ratio niya kaysa sa conventional oil, at mas matagal ang life niya. As you can see na yung nag-change oil ako sa Pilipinas gamit ang semi-synthetic dahil mahal nga ang full synthetic sa Pilipinas, but here you can afford the full synthetic. It's $10 each. Saka ang ilalagay nyo dito sa Yamaha R6 is 2.75 lang ang kailangan yung ilagay na oil sa makina niya. So from 2006 saka yung recent na model ngayon. Okay? Okay guys, ito yung gagamitin ko. It's Mobile One oil filter that can last to 20,000 miles. Alright? So okay guys, I need to remove the belly pan ng Yamaha R6. So you need the Allen wrench. So kailangan nyo rin tanggalin ang shifter arm ng inyong bike. Alright. So guys, I just removed the belly pan. So now, ayan yung kanyang oil drain. Yan, dyan yung siya i-drain. Okay guys, to loosen the drain plug, you need the size 17 socket. So you can do yung open or close wrench, but I use socket. Mas kapit siya. Okay guys, so this is a 10 months old oil inside my engine. As you can see, it looks like para siyang putik, you know. So 1,800 miles and 10 months ang life ng oil nito. Makikita nyo, it's so freaking dead black. Okay guys, to get access sa oil filter niya, you need to remove the shifter arm. Yan, ganyan lang kadali. Okay guys, so to loosen the oil filter, I do have a tool, yung para siyang plier. So ipitin ko lang siya, then ipapaikot ko lang siya. Makikita nyo. So this is a brand new oil filter. Make sure you put some oil around the rubber sealant. Ayan. So guys, whenever you're done uh, letting the oil, so make sure you put everything back, the bolt and the new filter, everything, and after that you're pretty much done. So okay guys, this time you need to put your new oil. So it's 2.75 or 2.85. I think it's 2.75 with oil filter. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure guys you subscribe. Peace.